All right, so I'm in the cockpit of the gas-modified Roadster. Figured I'd show you guys some of the, the features or the controls. So we've got the butterfly wheel that we'd made, to do all our steering, and then our gauges are pretty simple. We have an EGT, one for the left side, one for the right side, oil pressure, tach, and water temperature. That's about all we're trying to monitor from inside the car. And then this is an inertia switch to kill the electric fuel pump. This is our main battery on and off. So when I pull it out, it turns all the power onto the car. And when I push it in, it kills the entire electrical system. We've got our shifter that's got the kind of the offset rear shifter on it, so I can actually reach it instead of having to reach up and shift. We have our handbrake, which is here. And then our fire suppression system. So the one on the bottom is for the driver, the one on the top is for the engine, and it's labeled there. We've got it pinned right now so we don't accidentally deploy it. This lever here is the parachute release. So at the end of our run, I can reach over and grab it and deploy the chute. And then these 3 toggle switches and the buttons here, this is our main ignition on, this is our fuel pump, this is our water pump, and then the button starts the car up. So we can kill the power to those either by closing the top of the switch, or we can just hit the main kill and it kills everything dead. So that's mainly what the driver or the pilot gets to operate while they're driving down course at Bonneville and hopefully El Mirage this year. So that's pretty much a quick overview of the cockpit of the Roadster. One interesting thing, this here is an SFI padding that keeps our head from moving too much in the case of an accident with our helmet on. So it's limited. With our helmet on, we have about a 1/2 inch of side-to-side movement and a 1/2 inch of vertical movement. So again, once we're tied into the car in case of an accident, our head can't be flopping around. And with this padding, our helmet, and in conjunction with our Hans device, the driver should be really safe and contained in the case of an accident, which we hope never occurs. So again, that's just a quick overview of some of the controls in the cockpit of the gas-modified Roadster.